Welcome back to Forest City Container Gardening. This is our first video of 2025 and things are already looking really good. Sorry about not posting, but it's been a busy start of the year. Right now we have garlic going up really good. We're trying up shallots this year and those are looking really good in our raised bed. We're doing a multitude of different tomato varieties. We're doing Rutgers, San Marzanos, Romas, and a different style of cherry called Sun Gold. We're trying lettuce for the first time this year, and that's looking really good. So we're going to come over to one of the tomato areas. We're also doing an Isis Candy, which is another small cherry tomato, and our lemon ice tomatoes, which are pear-shaped and are yellow. They're very sweet, very nice. Here's our one Sun Gold that we got gifted by one of my coworkers, so thanks Mike, shout out to you. And over here in our 20-gallon bags, we're doing another Roma tomato. We're doing some pickling cucumbers, they're coming up nice. Some onions, a bucket of shallots, that's going pretty crazy. We're also trying sugar cube melons this year in a bucket, along with some green beans as an experiment. Some more tomatoes, our green bean buckets with nothing growing as of yet. Our peppers, we're doing a multicolored. We're doing our Marconi, and also we're doing our Hungarian Magyars for paprika. We also got gifted some small little red peppers. They're not going to be hot, they're going to be sweet. So we'll see how those go. Never grown those before. And here's our other tomato corner. Again, more aromas, some Rutgers. Doing another experiment with some different style of cucumber. We're keeping them away from everything so we can don't get any cross-pollination. And we got 2 grow bags going with some carrots that are coming up pretty nice. So that's our garden so far for 2025. And we'll keep you updated as best as we can. So far this year's been a little crazy, so we'll do what we can. Thanks, and please like and subscribe and share with your friends if you want to learn more about container gardening.